Why is it so difficult to stay centered, to stay without mind?
Because you don't have a habit. Since your mind start, when you are 4 or 5 year old and your mind start, after that, never you think about consciousness, never you think about awareness, never you think about centering yourself. You are going, but you don't know where you are going. That's why when we are unconscious, when we take the decision unconsciously, mostly we take the wrong decision. And if we take the wrong decision, we get the wrong result in our life. So if you want to have the good result in your life, always you need to be conscious, you need to be centered. And if you can't be conscious, you can't be centered, you need to find the master like me. Okay, little expensive, but he make you centered. The masters are expensive now. So, but they make you centered, they make you conscious. And if you do yourself, you have to work a lot. You have to work very hard to get conscious. And mostly people don't have this habit to meditate this many hours to get centered. That's why you need different therapies or the master. So it's better always to be with the master. And all the masters, they are like mother. Same mother teach the children how to walk. They take the finger and they teach children how to walk. Same master take your finger and he take you to spirituality. He make you more centered, more conscious, and because of that, your life become more better. Any master don't make your life better. Only you make your life better. Master work is to need to make you conscious, aware, alert, to be in meditative space. And meditative space means where is no mind, where you live your life according to your heart. And if you live life according to your heart, always you can have the beautiful life. Always you can be in love. Always you can be romantic.
Thank you, thank you.